Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladys Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to um fix account not found on your TikTok. If by any chance you receive a message or a mail that your account cannot be found again, or you try to look for your account using someone's TikTok, or maybe you look for somebody's account through your TikTok and the message that came out shows that account cannot be found or can't be found again. What you have to do is this. You go to your settings, and your settings, you look for app management, the app management here, app list. The reason why your TikTok account can have such problem, or why your TikTok account cannot be found, is because of bugs or glitches. When it has too much bugs or glitches in it, the account can be stagnant, cannot be active because of too much text in it. So what you have to do is look for it here. Remember what I did? Go to setting, then look for app management. So look for your TikTok here. Though they did not send me any message or mail like that, so I'm just trying to. So when you tap on it, yeah, you can see this place. You can see the say picturing app details. You can open it from here, or let me see app manager. Okay, please. What you have to do here is tap on TikTok. TikTok. I do not have box in my own TikTok. I don't have dirty in my own TikTok. I don't have box in it. My own TikTok is still okay. That is why I'm not seeing option to delete book or delete any SS file or any stuff. But in case you have, this is what you have to do. Go to your settings and tap on your app management to then tap on your TikTok to work on it. So guys, but after trying it, if it did not work, what you have to do now is, after trying it, if it did not work, what you have to do is this: try to use the friend's phone to check for it. But after using a friend's phone to check for it, if it still did not work, what you have to do is this: go out from your settings, go to your um go out from your settings, then tap on in front of your screen like this, tap on your TikTok steadily. You can uninstall your TikTok. Then after some few minutes, you install it back so that it will start working. So that the bug or glitches, anything that's causing it or death in it, will go off so that it will start working very well. So if your account cannot be found, just do these steps that I just gave you so that you get your TikTok back. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to leave a comment at the comment section.